Hi everyone, can you tell me which shape you can see on the front cover of this book? Shall we check? How many sides does it have? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Are they the same length? Yes, they are. How many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides that are the same length and 4 corners. That must mean it's a square. Shall we read the book called The Square? The authors are Mac Barnett and John Classon. This is square. This is Square's secret cave. Can you see what shape his door is? It's a square. Every day Square goes down into his cave and takes a block from the pile below the ground, under the ground. He pushes the block up and out of the cave. He brings the block to the pile at the top of the hill. This is his work. Look how many square blocks he has on top of the hill. Amazing. One day, while Square was doing his work, Circle floated by. Can you see if you can spot the circle? How many sides does a circle have? 1 long curved side all the way around the edge. And how many corners does it have? No corners at all. Shall I see if I can spot the circle? No, that must be a square. There it is, 1 long side that is curved and no corners. Square, said Circle, you are a genius. But I did not know you were a sculptor. Ah, yes, says Square. What is a sculptor? A sculptor shapes blocks into art, said Circle. Ah, yes, said Square. I see what you mean. But he did not really know what she meant. This is a wonderful sculpture, said Circle. It looks just like you. Does it look just like Square? Is it a square as well? Shall we check? We need 4 sides, all the same length. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has that. Does it have 4 corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. It does. It's just like Square. Square looked at his block. Yes, I suppose it is wonderful. Now, said Circle, you must do one of me. Oh, said Square, I will be back for it tomorrow. Goodbye, genius. Circle, said Square, I think I should tell you something. But she was already gone. Oh dear, 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 said Square. He studied the block. I have to make this block look like a circle, he said. Circle is perfect, so I must make this perfect. Square got to work shaping the block. Oh crumbs, said Square. This is not perfect. Oh dirt, said Square. This is much worse. he went back to work. He worked and worked and worked and worked. Ah! Cried Square. He had carved the whole block away. There was nothing left. He was surrounded by rubble. Whatever is the opposite of perfect? That is what this is. I must stay up all night to figure this out. Square fell asleep. Oh no. The next morning, Square woke up wet. He despaired. What have I done? I push blocks, I do not shape them. I am not a genius. Hello, genius, said Circle. I am early. Oh dear, whispered Square. Are you finished? Asked Circle. Oh yes, said Square. I am finished. Circle peered down. Oh my, she said. It was beautiful. It was beguiling. That word means that something looks so amazing that you can't help but look at it. It is perfect, said Circle. It is? Asked Square. Yes, said Circle. You are a genius, said Circle. But was he really? That's a good question. Was he really a circle? Have a quick whisper to anyone in the room. Do you think he was really a genius? Shall I tell you what I think with my reading brain? Having a look back at this page, I can see that the water has made a puddle. And Circle is looking down and he can see his shape in the reflection of the water. So he thinks that Square has made a perfect sculpture of the circle. That was very lucky, wasn't it? Well, the square is happy and the circle is happy. So I think that is a very nice story. Thank you for listening.